Meet the TALOSBO Pleco SE Cordless Pool Vacuum, the smart and powerful way to keep your pool crystal clear. Equipped with a high-capacity 5,200 mAh battery, it delivers over 130 minutes of non-stop cleaning power and fully recharges in just 2.5 hours. Its dual-drive motors and upgraded silicone bottom brushes provide superior scrubbing performance, easily handling sand, dirt, and small leaf across your pool floor. Perfect for flat above-ground and in-ground pools up to 861 square feet. It also features 5 bright LED indicators, so you can check battery life and working status at a glance. With powerful 32 GPM suction, it pulls in more debris for a deeper clean, while its lightweight design and included hook make removal quick and effortless. Energy efficient, easy to use, and built for serious results, the Pleco SE makes pool maintenance a breeze. Grab yours today for just $199.